Happy 4th of July from Fishhook to you. Well, guys, this is a great day in our nation, in our lives. There's wonderful freedoms that we have. And I'm so glad that we can share today with you folks. So today we're going to bring you where we're going. We're going to meet up with Jack and his wife Tammy in Adairsville, Kentucky, into a smaller town called Dot, Kentucky. And this is a yearly thing that Jack does. There's a lady in our church, Teresa, her family owned an 89-acre plot that the river runs through it. No pun intended. And we're going to go there, and there's a lot of festivities. It starts at 12 o'clock. They got a pig in the ground. They got frog legs. That's my middle name. And chicken and all kinds of good stuff to eat. So we're going to have a good time. I want you guys to join us. It's 8:10 in the morning, and it's an hour drive. So I hope you guys are having a great 4th. I hope you remember all those that gave up their life, that we have this freedom. I'm really grateful. And to every one of you folks, guys or girls that are veterans or are currently serving, I want to tell you thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you.
For serving, from the Coast Guard, first responders, to the police and the firemen that we truly cherish. And our lives are safer because of you guys and all the armed forces. Thank you. Thank you for the sacrifice you have made and are making. And for some of you that have retired from world wars, thank you for serving our country. We love you. We pray for you, and we pray God's best for you guys. Anyway, we're on the way, and we'll hook up with you when we get to Kentucky. Well, guys, we're here in Adairsville, Kentucky. And this is a family and friend function. Probably 250 people here today. I hear that this is light because see what's coming down there? This is the second round of heavy rains. But we've had a blast. That back tent in the very back there, it's about 80 feet long, is all the food, probably 80, 90 homemade dishes, from desserts to everything you can imagine, and everything was good. So we had a blast, met a bunch of wonderful people, and this sits on a 89-acre farm that these wonderful people have. Teresa from our church and her 4 siblings and mom and dad, which today they celebrated their 60th wedding anniversary. So they're awesome, godly people, love the Lord, and just great to be here, and it's open to everybody. So this property is huge. All the kids live here, and they did 3 pigs in a homemade smokers that the meat was to die for. And yesterday they had the frog legs. I'm very mad. Today I come, and Jack ate them all up. So much for frog legs. But chicken was phenomenal the way they cooked it. I went back. I've had several pieces of chicken, but it was excellent. So I hope you guys are all enjoying your 4th. This was an awesome day today, and there are tons of people here. Made a lot of new acquaintances. People, I'll probably forget their names, but never their face. It's just been great. We have totally enjoyed our MONTAUK. Well, we left the house, and there's cornfield after cornfield after cornfield. These are the most beautiful scenic roads all the way through from Adairsville into Russellville, Kentucky, back to Nashville.